curious whether we should crop those ears or leave them alone. Well, she's 8 weeks old, so we got a little minute to make the decision. I don't even know if I trust anybody out here to do a good ear cropping. If I know somebody that's real good with it, holla at me. Because I can imagine it's gonna be some BS up here. Just kind of let her do what she wants to do. He's a good boy, she's a good girl. He really doesn't like pups. You're a pain in the ass to him. You can't eat them. You can't hunt. What good are they? Oh, look. Oh, that's the first time I've ever seen him really warm up to her. Good boy. That's my boy. Good boy. That's my boy. Yes. I know, it is so hot. Look at him. And look at these two. She's a very smart little dog. Very cool and even temperament. Got a feeling if you ask her to turn it up, she will, which we have not. She shows enough drive just when I'm trying to sweep my damn floor, you know. You see my girl, she over here trying to cool out in the shade. Yeah, most of my dogs are pretty smart. It's a day siesta. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Thank you. Asked him to be nice. It's kind of rough and kind of short with her earlier. And we don't want her confidence shaking at this stage of the game. He can't appreciate her yet. She's no real value to him yet. There's gonna come a time when he's gonna protect this bitch from everybody, Henny included. Yeah. But he shows a very fierce loyalty from day one. When we got Star, and Star used to kind of yap at Henny a whole lot. Fucking Bull would you know look at Star like, hold up, bitch. You know what I mean? Like, you need to calm down, bitch. They were all doing a cool off dance. Brought them over here in the shade, a little place where they could just hang out and be outside. We ain't cooped up in the house. You know? I think she'll make a nice addition to the crew. She's a very smart little girl. And he has a very even temperament. She gets older, starts going in the heat and such. He'll definitely have more of an appreciation. Look. So this is what you want to encourage in your dogs. This is all bonding, building time. You see how she's really kind of cautious about doing the same thing with him. She stopped herself short. And she wants to roughhouse and play and all of that, but right now, he's definitely made it clear that I don't play that much. You know, I don't play like that. You know what I mean? And look at Henny. Henny, what are you doing? What are you doing? Really don't want any of them doing too much. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a hot summer day. It's kind of muggy right now. So I'm not asking too much of none of them. Just sit back and chill out. Let the pup get comfortable, build her motherfucking confidence in her environment, her associates. Let them understand that she's part of the pack, she's part of the team, she's here to stay. When we move, she moves, right? It's very calm, very cool. Little dog has really good structure. Let's see, what is she gnawing at over there? What are you gnawing at over there? You gotta watch it. I always want to watch, especially in the outdoors. It's beautiful, it's scenic, and all of that shit, but a lot of dangers wait out here. We don't like to fool ourselves about that. You know, the dogs love it, you know, but mosquitoes, bacteria, germs, you know. Really looking for her to eliminate at some point. When she does that, then we'll move on. Find another spot where we can kind of sit back, chill out. Dogs can relax. He's got a kill not too far from here, so. Starting to see the flies try to collect as well. I'm not with that. I'll hit them with some spray when we get in the house. Got a decent fly spray that worked rather well. Alright, that's all for us, y'all. We'll holler.